Okay, got to be now. Let me tell you about this high-frequency induction tower heater, a usage method of this high frequency.
It comes with a power cord, a main unit,
A host, and a temperature sensor. The temperature sensor has a positive and negative pole.
After we align it, plug it into the corresponding on the positive and negative poles at the back.
When it's plugged in wrong, it won't work, and the temperature is wrong. If the temperature is wrong, then put the bearing on it. After turning on, we remember we need to attach the temperature sensor. It must be tied to the inside of the bearing. At this time, we set a temperature. The normal heating temperature of the bearing is within 100, usually 90, 100, or 110. We set it to 100 this time. The up and down keys are used to adjust the temperature. Okay, let's set it. This is the time mode. In the time mode, which is measured in seconds. That is to say, the first time we use it, you must remember not to use the time mode because it heats up very quickly. If you use the time mode, if you can't control it well, it will easily burn to
the temperature of the bearing will be too high.
We usually use the temperature mode for the first time. When heating, you can record the time
it takes to heat to the temperature.
the time to reach this temperature. And then in the future,
In the same bearing specification.
in the case of this bearing, you can use this time mode to heat it with this time. We set it to 120 degrees. It starts to heat up. Okay, now it has started to heat up. When it reaches 110 degrees,
It will reach this temperature.
it will stop working. The heating head. The speed is very fast.
Yes.
Yes.
It has reached 110. The device has stopped working.
At this time, we remove the probe and take off the bearing.
And take off the bearing.
You can see that our tower head is also intact.
Recently, some users in the process of operation,
Because first, the sensor,
and the second is the wrong usage.
which may cause the tower head to be burned out.
This will cause this situation. So when using it, everyone must pay attention. First is the temperature,
The placement of the sensor.
and the absorption. Second, whether the heating mode is used correctly, whether it's used and operated. Pay attention. The problem of burning out the tower head will not occur.